Have you ever wondered how social psychology has shaped our understanding of human behavior? Today, we will dive deep into the fascinating evolution of this discipline. Understanding its history helps us grasp the changes over time and the impact of social shifts. Social psychology began taking shape in the 1860s, but its roots go back even further. The first experiments occurred before 1900. Notably, in 1898, psychologist Norman Triplett observed cyclists. He discovered that cyclists performed better in groups than alone. This experiment marked the starting point for social psychology. In 1908, groundbreaking textbooks emerged. McDougall's An Introduction to Social Psychology emphasized instinct theory. Ross's Social Psychology focused on social influence. These early works laid the groundwork for decades of research. By the 1920s, social psychology shifted towards individual studies and experimentation, thanks to Floyd Allport. He argued that social behavior deserves rigorous experimental analysis, similar to general psychology. This period intensified research on attitudes and group dynamics, influenced by global political events. Kurt Lewin, an influential figure, developed field theory. His work highlighted the importance of considering both personal and environmental factors. These contributions set the stage for future exploration of social psychology. The 1950s and 1960s marked the golden age of experimentation. Researchers conducted groundbreaking studies, including Asch's line judgment, Latane and Darley's bystander intervention, and Milgram's obedience experiments. These studies revealed the dark side of human nature and raised ethical questions about standard practices. As we moved into the 1970s, researchers started voicing concerns. They questioned the ethics of deception in experiments and argued for more ecological validity. This led to the cognitive revolution within social psychology, focusing on cognition and its role in social interactions. The late 20th century also saw social psychology expand its focus. It began aligning with various social movements, especially in Europe. Researchers developed theories on intergroup relations and social identity to explain broader social phenomena. Entering the 21st century, social psychology faced several new challenges. Cross-cultural psychology emerged as crucial. Researchers recognized that studies conducted in Western societies might not apply universally. Validity came to the forefront as scholars urged a global perspective. The replication crisis in research triggered a credibility revolution. Open science practices became standard. Researchers now pre-register their hypotheses, share data, and aim for transparency in their work. This movement enhances the integrity of social psychological research. Technology has transformed social psychology. Studies now explore social media's impact, virtual reality, and human-AI interaction. Digital platforms influence social behavior and create new dynamics in prejudice and political polarization. Looking ahead, future directions in social psychology are exciting. The discipline is diversifying its global perspectives, integrating voices from Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Social neuroscience is gaining traction, focusing on the interplay of genetics and the environment. Moreover, researchers are prioritizing pressing issues. Topics like climate change, social inequality, and public health crises are becoming focal points. These endeavors ensure social psychology remains relevant in an ever-changing world. In summary, social psychology's journey has been transformative. From early experiments to modern applications, the field has adapted to societal needs. Understanding its evolution provides insights into our collective behavior today. Join us in exploring these developments. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest in social psychology. Your journey to understanding human behavior begins here.